In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into Google Slides. If you want to make your presentation more engaging, adding a video is a great option. It can help explain a concept more clearly, break up text-heavy slides, and keep your audience interested. The good news is that Google Slides makes this process very simple once you know where to look. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. Once you're inside the presentation, go to the specific slide where you want the video to appear. It's a good idea to choose the slide carefully before inserting anything so you don't have to move it around later unless you want to. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Video. This will open the Video Insert window, where Google Slides gives you a few different ways to add your video. From here, you can insert a video from YouTube, which is often the easiest option if your video is already hosted there. You can also use the By URL option if you have a direct video link available. And if your video file is stored in Google Drive, you can choose it from there as well. These options give you flexibility depending on where your video is coming from and how you prefer to manage your content. When choosing between these methods, think about accessibility and convenience. For example, a YouTube video can be very quick to add, while a Google Drive video may be better if you're working with your own private content. If you're using a URL, make sure it's the correct video link so Google Slides can recognize it properly. After selecting the video source you want, choose your video and insert it into the slide. Once it appears, you can reposition it and resize it so it fits nicely with the rest of your slide layout. Try to leave enough room around it so your slide still looks clean and easy to read. That's really all there is to it. Open your presentation, go to the right slide, click Insert, then Video, and choose your video from YouTube by URL or from Google Drive. Adding video is one of the easiest ways to make a presentation feel more polished and dynamic. If you're presenting live, it's also a smart idea to test the video beforehand to make sure it loads properly and appears exactly where you want it. And that's how to insert a video into Google Slides.